Hello, children. I'm going to tell something that happened to me yesterday. Something that happened to me yesterday. I went to the street, and an old man said me, "Hello, beautiful girl. Do you want a candy? Do you know a candy, Sandra?"
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And you, Manuel?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. I said that no, and the old man again said me, "Yes, yes. Come to me, come to me. In my home there are a lot of candies." I started to run because I was scared. I just saw a surprising story. I'm going to tell this story. Do you want to listen to this story?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Once upon a time, two little children. These two little children. A boy and a girl. The boy is Hansel and the girl is Gretel. Have you ever listened these names?
No.
Okay. They always expected their father because this bring food. But one day they have much hungry. Do you know hungry?
Hambre.
Hey, okay, very good. Then they go what? They are feeding strawberries. Do you like strawberries, Sandra? Do you like?
Sí.
Me too. In the forest. When something sounded. It's a little gnome. Have you ever seen a little gnome? Have you ever seen a little gnome, Manuel?
No.
Okay. You, Laura?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. The little gnome need help, and Hansel and Gretel helped. Suddenly, a witch came. Witch. This is a witch. Okay. A witch came, and the little gnome said, "Run! It's dangerous." The little had curious and started to talk with the witch. Are you afraid of witches, Manolo?
No.
And you, Laura?
Yeah.
Me too. The witch told a lie to the children. Do you like candy? Come with me. That I have a house of sweets. Look, this is a house of sweets. The children were with her and looked up Hansel. Do you know look it up?
No.
Okay, look it up is when a boy or girl can't go. We look it up. Very good. And then the gnome arrived. Yes. And let off the children, Hansel. Let out. The witch flew. With her broom. Do you know broom?
No.
Okay. Look. This is a broom.
Ah.
Yes. And the gnome flew behind her. Behind? Do you know behind? Very good. Broke her broom. And the witch fell. The little Hansel and Gretel know that never deal with a unknown. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.